if leveling wasn't enough and I wanted to beat myself up a little bit more, I guess my truck is locked, and that doesn't make a good show. Alright, well, welcome back, guys. I'm a little tired from doing all the lawn leveling, but no rest for the weary. I've got a little job in the back of my truck here that I got to get on. So why don't we take a look what's up next for in the lawn. How about more lawn? I've got 25 rolls of sod, Bermuda 419, tip 419, and we're going to be putting her down. So why don't you follow along and I'll let you know how I do it. Oh no! I'm gonna jump in here and leave you guys with the cliffhanger. That's right, you're gonna have to stay tuned. Look at that little butterfly back there. That was cute. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned till next week or this weekend to see the wrap up of the sod. But good news, it's been almost 2 weeks since I laid it. So the update will include me laying the sod and what the sod looks like 2 weeks later. So, sorry to do that. However, most people only watch these videos for about 3 to 4 minutes anyway, so maybe this will work out. We'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't usually plug this. I've been doing a lot of videos this summer. Would love to try to get some more likes and shares. A couple more people following me, so shameless plug. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, all those good things, and let me know what you guys like, what you'd like to see. I've got a lot more content I'm going to be producing this year. We're all staying at home, so why not just work on my video editing skills and make the yard look a little bit better. So appreciate you guys checking out the video, and we'll see you in a couple days for the rest of it.